In this video, I'll talk about how long orders take on eToro. Now you can see here about the market. When it's pre-market and when market is closed, you'll see that the order will be executed when the market opens. When the market is opened, they will be executed instantly. What this means is that the orders are executed in real time. So if you make a buy order, it will be executed immediately as soon as you press the confirm button. Now the same goes for the sell order. So to answer the question, the trades will be done immediately. So as soon as you click on the button, the order will be done. So that should answer your question. Now, if you head over to this "When will my trade open?" on the help center, you can read more about it. But the short answer is, as soon as you confirm, it will be done. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.